Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset a Chromebook, also known as a power wash, which completely clears all data and restores it to its original settings. First, make sure you've backed up anything important to your Google Drive, because a reset will erase all files stored locally on the device. Once you're ready, click on the time in the bottom right corner, go to Settings, and scroll down until you see Advanced. Under that, find the section called Reset Settings and click Reset. Now you'll see the option to Power Wash. Click it, confirm, and your Chromebook will restart. When it comes back on, you'll be asked to confirm again, and then the reset process will begin. After a few minutes, your Chromebook will boot up as if it's brand new, ready for you to set it up again. This is a quick way to fix problems or prepare the device for someone else. Subscribe the channel for more videos.